Hello everyone, welcome to Django Beginners tutorial on Amok Code. In this video, let's look at the overview of our user application. So before moving into it, I made a small change in the templates to make it look a bit prettier. So I added some of the bootstrap classes to it, and I added some CSS styling to it, and I made this link as a button. So on moving to details page, so you could see that anchor tags as a button in here. It looks like button. So I made some small changes with the help of bootstrap CSS and materialize. So I thought I don't want to show you those things and waste your time in this Django tutorial. So I made all these things in our template. You could have a look of it and you could pause the video, and if you need styling you could definitely copy these codes, and I will also put the source code of these three templates down in the description below. You could go and download and use those in your file. So that's it. So that's a small change. So now move on to part 2 of this Django tutorial. So let's see the user app overview. So our user application is going to manage our user's account and the functions like registration, logging in, logging out, password reset, and we are going to integrate our user and posts app in this part 2, and account update and creating users profile like adding images etc, and all those things we are going to cover in this user application. That's part 2 of the Django beginners tutorial. We are also going to provide some admin rights to posts app. For example, only the user who created the post can edit or delete it. For now, every user who could navigate to this particular location can or update any post posted by any user. So we are going to restrict the users so that only the user who created it can edit or delete this. So in here we are also not going to create users model to store user credentials. So as I said before, if you could navigate to this admin application, you could see this users right in here, and as I said, this users will store in the credentials of the user that we pass in this terminal while creating super user. Yeah, this is the model that we are going to use in here to store all our users credential too. So we are not going to create any user model separately for this. So Django already had created a user model for us, so we are going to store all the user information in here. Okay, so these are the tools that we are going to use while building users application. And in the registration part, we are going to use a form separately for registration that is called user creation form, and to handle that form we are going to use function based views. And for logging in, we have a separate class based view or generic view named login view. We are going to use that, and for same as logout, we have another class based view logout view. And password reset, we have four different generic views that will handle password reset. We are going to cover those in our future videos. And we are going to integrate the user application. In this part we are going to experiment with model relationship, how to link one model with another. In this case we are going to link our user model with our post model. And in this part we are going to provide the admin privileges so that only the user who created the post can delete or update it, and other such admin privileges we are going to provide in this part. In here we are going to provide the user a functionality to update their account, and in here we are going to use model forms and function view. So in here we are going to create a profile for each and every user so that the user could upload their profile photo in there, and we are going to show their profile photo in the front end. So this is the overview of what we are going to do in this part 2 of the Django beginners tutorial. So pack your things, get ready. We are going to do all these amazing stuffs in later parts of our video. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, share it with your friends, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and press on the bell icon to receive any instant notification from our channel. So thank you guys, bye, see you in the next video.